Good morning. CCK, guys. I'm gonna be telling you a story time when I was chased by a dog. And it was extra large. Anyway, so let's get into the video. So one day, I was outside riding my bike. And I was on my friend, or this girl I knew, hill. Because it was just so big and wide. So I was like, yeah, you know what? I'm going to just go up there. So I went on the hill, her driveway. And it was a little hill. So basically, I'm just going to say hill. Anyway, so then after that, I turned around. Because I always turn around before I get on. I'll look front to make sure it's my car, and then I'll look behind me to make sure it's nothing. So I looked behind me, I saw a dog, and my cousin, she was just on the sidewalk of the house. So I turned around, and I was like, it's a dog. And it was extra large. It was about right here. It was different colors, yellow and blue. And I'll tell you the rest when I get in the car. So I started pedaling as fast as I could on my bike, as fast as I could. I said, Mama, Mommy, Mommy, help, Mama. And my cousin, she was just I was like,
that's illegal. Companies are out here.
And so she was laughing, so the garage was open, and I opened the door, and I just shoved my bike in there. So I slammed the garage door shut, and that's the end of the story right now. I'll talk to y'all later about it. Yes, part 2 is coming up. Say hi to my mommy and my sister. But thank y'all for watching. Give this a thumbs up and give this to 100 likes. If y'all do or something, I'll just start posting tomorrow.